Is there any bad trading habit you have been trying to overcome? Be it overtrading, greed, fear of missing out, which is called FOMO, unstable psychology, and so on. You don't need to search any further because the purpose of this channel is to show you how I'll be overcoming all these bad trading habits. But in this episode, I'll be focusing on overcoming overtrading, and I shall be using this simple stuff. I shall be using this simple stuff in this challenge, which is I'll be challenging myself to take only one trade per day for 21 days. Whether it's a loss or whether it's a win, I will not take any other trade again. I began this yesterday, and today is the second day, and I am updating you as regards that. So if you like this content, and you want to join me in this challenge, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Let's go. Whenever I open my chart, I am always looking for my primary criteria. And I believe you guys already know that, which is initiation, momentum loss, liquidity grab, supply or demand, and liquidity to target. Now, opening the chart today, 14th of February, I already know what I was looking for. So, as you see on the chart, I marked. Let me remove this. What I did when I came to the chart, I marked this place which I considered a liquidity area, and as well I marked this bottom which I considered a liquidity area. So what price did was to come down. What price did was to come down, grab liquidity, and then move upwards. So that was what I was anticipating, and I'm going to show you the video when I anticipated that, when I did that as a video. I anticipated that price was going to do so. So I'm going to show you in the video. This is the video I was talking about when I said I anticipated that the market was going to come to the downside or to the upside to take liquidity before going to its intended direction for the day. So as you can see, the market actually came down. You are going to see as the video unfolds, you're going to see that the market actually came down and then went up. That was what I was anticipating. Actually, I was intending that the market would go up or down. So that was for Euro US. For this is USD CHF. So because they are negative correlated pairs, so I anticipated that it was going to go up, take liquidity, enter that supply, and then drop down. And you are going to see that that is what the market actually did at the end. But unfortunately, the market did what it needs to do, and I did what I need to do as well. So when price came, I saw that the price had already grabbed liquidity, and all my criteria were met. As I've seen initiation, I've seen momentum loss, I've seen liquidity grab, and I have seen liquidity to target. So my criteria were met, and what was left was just my entry. So what I did was to go to my entry time frame, the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute, like if you see the liquidity, it's part of the liquidity that was grabbed, and some other details. I don't have no need to go into that. So when price grabs liquidity and everything, what was left for me is for entry. So when I came to my entry time frame, I saw what I'm seeing was not convincing. So what did I do? I went to USD CHF, which is a negative correlative pair to Euro USD. So for USD CHF, I had already marked my supply where I want price to come and where I want liquidity to be taken. So prior to taking liquidity, price has entered to my supply. Looking at it, I saw my entry criteria. That was at this particular point here where the cursor is now. I saw my entry criteria, and so I jumped into USD CHF trade. You can see it was a loss. I took one position. Usually I take only, I have a particular risk for a day, and that is the risk I took for this day as well. And I'm very happy for that. So I entered just one position in USD CHF, and then my main pair, which is Euro USD, has, because I have entered a position there, and it has a negative correlation with it has a negative correlation with it has a negative correlation with USD CHF. So I came and then I entered Euro USD trade at this point. I entered Euro USD trade at this point. So you can see it came down close to my stop loss and then went up to my target. But unfortunately, the spread took me out for this particular Euro USD. For this Euro USD, if I were using a raw spread account, that's why I like to trade raw spread account, it wouldn't have taken me out. But for this account, the spread took me out and then trade went to my direction. Of course, today was a loss, but I tell you from the bottom of my heart, I am absolutely fine with this. Today is the second day challenge, is the second day that I'm taking a loss in this my 21 days um, challenge of overcoming over trading. Today the second day and I've taken a loss, and I'm very happy because I didn't enter any other trade again. Since my risk parameters have been met, my maximum daily risks have been met, I didn't enter any other trade again. And as such, I believe I am progressing, I am progressing, trying to overcoming over trading. I'm overcoming over trading for the very fact that I didn't enter a trade here. My initial self, seeing that price had gone and coming back and came back, didn't take me out, I would have entered again. But I consider that over trading. But since I'm working towards overcoming over trading, and my challenge is one trade a day, so I have taken this trade and I'm not going to take any other trade again. So that is what happened today, and I'm totally fine with the loss that I've taken. I'm very happy with the loss, and I believe that some other days will be positive, even though yesterday and today was not positive. So if this is what you like to see, or if you want to join me in this challenge, please click the like button and the subscribe button so that you will be having daily alerts, you will be having daily reminder, you'll be having daily notification when I drop a new video. You can join me in this challenge. Pick a particular bad trading habit that you want to avoid in your trading and join me in this challenge. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel.